Hey everyone, this is Mobile Merchant. Today I've got a interesting and new money-making application to share with you guys. It basically lets you make thousands of dollars, potentially, just by playing trivia games. And this app is really cool, really simple to use. But before I continue, if you want more awesome money-making videos showing you how to massively grow your income online, remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel. Okay, so the app I want to show you guys today is called HQ Trivia. Now let's open that app up. And when you first open it up, you're going to be brought to this screen. Well, after you make your account, of course. You're going to be brought to the screen where you can see when the next trivia game is. So as you can see, the next game is at 6 o'clock Pacific time. And there's actually a $2,000 prize. So that's a huge prize, guys. You can make a lot of money just from playing this simple trivia game. So you can see your account name. You can also see your balance, and that's how much you've earned by winning a trivia game. So the way you make money is by getting first place, basically just getting all the questions right on the trivia game. And however many people get first place, or like get all the questions, you're gonna split it between all the winners. So for example, if 10 people win the game, then you're gonna split the $2,000, so you each get $200 a piece. But if you're the only one that wins the game, then you get the full $2,000 prize. And you can see here, whenever you tap on your balance, you can put in your PayPal email and you can cash out. And the minimum cash out for this app is $20. So as long as you're like splitting it only between 100 people or less, at least for this game, because the prize is always different, then you're going to be able to cash out your winnings to your PayPal account. You can also see that there's a weekly rank, so the better you do, the higher your rank. You don't get anything for getting a higher rank, just, I guess, personal satisfaction for knowing that you know your trivia. And you can see there's another thing here called Extra Lives. And what this is you can read it right here. It says, wrong answer, continue playing with an extra life. And you get your extra lives every time a new HQ user signs up with your referral code and plays their first game. And it says extra lives are applied automatically and only once per game, and they cannot be used on the last question. So basically what this is if you get a question wrong, you put the wrong answer, you still get to play the game and you still get a chance to win part of the prize. And the way you get more extra lives is just by getting referrals. So you can see here my referral code is Mobile Merchant, and you can put yours in the comments below if you want to earn some more extra lives so that you get more chances and a higher probability of winning a prize. So that's that. You can see here there's a leaderboard, and you can also see in the leaderboard how much people have won. So you can see like the top earners have each earned $500 a piece. And then also some more people have earned like 190, 105, and yeah, it just keeps on going down. These are all people that split the earnings that they won. And then all time, you can see what the highest prizes have been. So some people have earned like $6,000 each and like $1,500. So the potential from this game is crazy. You can make a lot of money by playing a trivia game. So that's that for the leaderboard. Oh, looks like the game is now live, which means it's about to start soon. And you can see that there's already almost 10,000 people. Oh, look at that. Now it's at 10.3 thousand. So a lot of people actually play this game, and it says to turn the volume up, which I will do. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit so that you guys can still hear me. And it says connect to a fast Wi-Fi, and you can chat down here. You can see everyone there is chatting, and you can like say whatever you want, like, I don't know, hi. But I mean, honestly, there's so many people playing this game that you're probably never going to be able to actually have a conversation in this chat. So yeah, Let's see, so it's 5:53, which means that the game is about to start up pretty soon, in about 7-ish minutes. And whenever it does start, I will bring you guys back into this video, and we can go through how the trivia game actually works. Alright guys, so it's 5:59 right now. You can see it right on the top there. And that means that the game is about to begin in under a minute. Unfortunately, it's kind of laggy, so I don't know how this will turn out, but I hope you guys can actually see what it's like to play one of these games. But honestly though, guys, the lag is really, really bad. I don't know if it's my internet or if it's the fact that there are around 777,000 users playing this game all at once. That's like really slowing down the servers. But I mean, I hope it works. Alright, so now it looks like we get a nice little countdown here. 10-second countdown, 5-second countdown now. Alright, let's go. So let's see what the questions that we're gonna get are. And looks like the final count for users is almost 900,000. Almost 1 million people, guys. This is crazy.
I've always enjoyed
Let me turn up the sound.
flow of this piece. It invokes an organic mania of sorts. Compels the viewer to press forward, tapping into an ineffable idea that perhaps we are compelled by an a priori will to succeed. To do well, to do good, to go beyond whole given phantasmagoria. I do believe this artist is propagating a pure absurdist view. I also believe it's time for HQ, the trivia game show you play on your phone where you answer questions to win cash. I am your host with the challah French toast, host face killer, Ray Quiz the chef, old laggy bastard, Scott Rogowski, coming live from the greatest city on earth, the city that never sleeps, Muskogee, Oklahoma.
It's kind of blurry.
Leading all my HQ horses to water, all 970,000 of you, including Jordan,
Oh no, I hope it doesn't lag during the game.
Steven, Mackenzie McGrath, Karen Rayburn, and Josh Olin, who all happen to be celebrating birthdays today. Happy birthday. Carl, too. Happy birthday, Carl. Is this your first time riding the trivia train with us? Well, let me give you the rules of the road. I'm asking 12 questions. They range from easy to hard. You have 10 seconds when I start reading the question to tap your answer. If you get it right and you answer all 12 questions correctly, you win or split the cash prize. And tonight's prize is 2,000 Darius Ruckers, 2,000 dirty projectors, $2,000 redos. That's enough money to join Scientology just to have Leah Remini rescue you from Scientology.
This guy's pretty eccentric, if I have to say.
You guys ready to rock this quiz right? Are you ready to quiz with me and get some money? Are we gonna get 1 million players in the game tonight? Yeah, we are.
Look at that,
We're
1 million.
We're at the Comma Club tonight, baby. On your Thursday night. Are you charged up? I am. Is your phone?
Come on, don't do this.
Win the game if you're not so distracted about that. Are your hands wiped? You clean your hands? Good. No dirty hands when you're tapping answers. You ready to get down to the nitty gritty? Well, then let's get this show on the road. Numero uno. What is the full title of the iconic Happy Birthday song? Happy birthday to you.
Oh, this is easy.
Happy birthday, say what? Or happy birthday, oh yeah.
I hope. If I get this wrong, that'll be really sad.
You know this one. It's the song you're forced to sing along to when the table next to you at the Olive Garden is celebrating a birthday. It's Happy Birthday to You. Yes, happy
Cool,
birthday
we
to
got it
you.
right.
Full
Nice.
name of
First
that
question,
song,
easy question.
Published by the Hill Sisters back in 1893, officially in the public domain as of 2016. That's right, no more royalty checks to the Hill Sisters.
Looks like most people got that right.
1,5,806 of you are celebrating a happy quiz day today. The rest of you, a sad start to your HQ on this Thursday.
No, don't do this.
2. Near the steps of the Philadelphia Museum of Art is a statue of what movie icon? James Bond, Rocky Balboa, or Jar Jar Binks?
I honestly don't even know this, but I'll
You
guess.
been down in Philly? You been down in Philly? Check out that Museum of Art there. Get your Frank soda, your peanut chews. If you're a tourist and you visit Philly, well, it's your civic duty to run up the stairs of this famed art museum. But at the bottom of the stairs is a statue of the man who's going to inspire you to make it to the top. That's Rocky.
Yes,
Rocky
got it right.
Balboa himself. Yo, Adrian!
And looks like quite a few people got that right as well.
Are training to win this thing, but 80,000 thought it was James Bond, and over 10,000 thought it was the beloved Star Wars character, Jar Jar Binks. No, I'm not sure you're going to find a statue of Jar Jar anywhere on the face of God's green earth. Certainly not in Philadelphia. Q3, for the Rocky fans, Steamtown National Historic Site focuses on what mode of transportation? Planes, trains, or automobiles?
I'm going to guess trains on this.
We're going from Philadelphia,
but I honestly am not sure.
west/northwest.
Steam trains make sense though.
Home of Dunder Mifflin. Yes, to get your fix of fireboxes and steel wheels, put on your conductor's hat when you visit Steamtown.
Looks like we got it right.
Learn all about the wonderful world of trains.
Yes, we did.
Trains is the focus at Steamtown National Historic Site in Scranton, Pennsylvania. Hey, soul sisters. Get it? Because of train?
Cool.
The band,
and
after
looks like there's still 800,000 people in this game.
809,502 of you. I choose all of you. You're little engines that could win HQ tonight. Rest of you getting derailed at Q3. But we got Q4. What is recognized as the dividing line between North Korea and South Korea? The 38th parallel, the Tropic of Cancer.
I know this is the 38th parallel.
North Korea, South Korea in the news. Pretty much been in the news all year, North Korea. You know, this runs about 160 miles long and 2.5 miles wide. It's the de facto border between North and South Korea, known as the demilitarized zone, roughly following the 38th parallel.
And there we go, got it right.
Parallel is your answer.
So now there's 600,000 left.
Unleashing fire and fury like no one's ever seen before. Here at Q4, the rest of you, dotards.
So we have 8 more questions. If we get these all right, we win the prize.
Right, but not tonight. Come back tomorrow. 672,000 plus. They have Q5. Which of these tasks does an esthetician perform professionally? Giving a facial, programming a computer, or hemming a skirt?
I don't even know this. I'll say giving a facial.
Esthetician. What is it? Well, maybe estheticians do these other things on the side as hobbies or on the weekends, but an esthetician has a professional expertise in beauty and is often seen in spas giving facials.
Looks like we got that one too.
Maybe waxing certain
so
areas.
Around 100,000 got this one wrong, which means we're getting closer.
The rest of you getting waxed off tonight's quiz at Q5. We got Q6. Halfway point. Which of these items does the TSA consider an acceptable airplane carry-on item? Golf putter, magic 8-ball, or tattoo gun?
I will say a magic 8-ball.
What can you carry on to a plane?
I don't think you can carry a gun or a golf putt.
If you want to carry on a magic 8-ball, the outlook is not so good. According to the TSA, you better check your clubs as well. But a tattoo gun is fine, apparently.
Oh, looks like we are wrong.
God bless America. We can only assume actual on-plane tattooing is frowned upon, or at least not endorsed.
Wow, many people got this one wrong.
And savagery.
So, I guess we're done with this game.
Nelly, major savagery at Q6. Savage question, non-pariah here. 96,985.
Right. Well, since we're out, I'm just gonna leave.
But we lost.
Okay, so that's pretty much how the game works. You can see you just got to answer questions. If you're good with your trivia, then you can actually make a decent amount of money from this game. And before I end this video, even though unfortunately I wasn't able to show you guys a winning game because clearly I got one wrong, you can see here there's some other things to know about. So yeah, basically how you play, you just run the game, you answer questions, you get one question wrong, you're out. But once again, if you have the extra lives by using referrals, then you can continue in the game. So if I had an extra life and if I got that question wrong, then I would have been able to go on to the next question anyway. So yeah, referrals are actually really useful for this game. If you get them all right, then you win. And if more than one person makes it, then you guys split the prize, of course. And if there's no winners, then the prize rolls over to the next day. And then if you get $20 in your balance, then you can cash out to PayPal. So that's how it works. I think you got the idea from me playing it personally, but I just want to make sure that you guys knew exactly what to do. There's some more frequently asked questions, so it doesn't cost anything. It's available in beta in the Google Play Store, but they don't have a public release date planned yet. So if you're on Android, maybe you can get the beta. I'm not sure exactly how that works. I'll try to look that up for you guys. But when I do find out, I'll make sure to let you guys know. And then, yeah, $20 to your PayPal. You need a phone number to sign up. You get extra lives whenever your friends play a game. And you can also submit your own trivia questions too. So if you have like a really, really tricky question you think that would confuse people and you know the answer, I hope you know the answer if you're submitting the question, then you can submit that. Maybe they'll use it, and maybe you can get a freebie question because you're gonna know the answer. Yeah, so that's about it for this app and for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, and remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximize your income online and at home.